10 simple steps you should do to lose weight and fat. 1. Calculate how many calories your body needs to consume to maintain your existing weight. This is called your maintenance calories. Search Google with calorie needs and you will find a few different calculators to help you with this. 2. Initially deduct 10% to a maximum of 500 kcal off the total maintenance calories. Drastically reducing your calories will result in muscle and water loss, not fat loss. 3. Divide your calories over 5 or 6 meals rather than 2 or 3. You should aim to eat every 3 to 4 hours. 4. Cut out all simple carbohydrates, except straight after exercise. Eat whole grain, high-fiber foods. 5. Exercise at least 3 times a week, doing 30 minutes of cardio to a reasonable level of intensity. This will help to create the calorie deficit and encourage your body to lose fat. 6. Make simple replacements in your diet, sweetener in place of sugar, diet drinks in place of full sugar drinks, use leaner cuts of meat etc. At first these changes may be difficult but you will get used to them and make vital calorie savings every day. 7. Drink plenty of water, at least 2 liters of water every day. If you are dehydrated your body will be less efficient and will make fat loss more difficult. 8. Try to eat low-carb complex only, low-fat and moderate protein. From my experience the South Beach diet is excellent. 9. Keep a food diary to monitor how many calories you are consuming. It is very easy to overeat. 10. Supplementing your diet can make fat loss easier. A diet high in protein can help preserve muscle. More muscle means an increase in metabolism. There are also some fat loss supplements available which help boost your metabolism. This is useful as your metabolism may slow during extended periods of dieting. This video is based from my own experiences. I have lost 20 pounds of fat and gained 20 pounds of muscle. My body fat is 11%. Please consult a doctor for proper medical advice.